Oh my goodness. Woo, they're drifting. Did you see that move? Do it again. Oh, they try to take my legs off. Oh my God. Oh, stop, please. Look what he's doing in my tree. He just ran right into it. Whoa, this guy is going wild. He thinks he's at the monster truck place. Oh my gosh! Stop! This guy is wild. He won't put his foot off. Stop! This guy, Jair, his driving skills. Oh my goodness. Woo! Stop! Oh my God. Do you see that? Go backwards. Stop. You have to stop. And then press forward. Oh no. No. No, no, no. Don't crack. Oh my goodness. Okay. Stop, 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 stop. Okay. Don't press it. This guy is trigger happy with that pedal. I'm gonna take them outside. Okay? Dare I take them outside in the front and we see what happens. I see I'm gonna have to catch up and keep up with all of the cars, keep up with everything. But we'll be back in the next video. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Josie.